In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can find your Wise account number. So once you open your Wise account, right, whether it be USD or Canadian or Great Britain, you will be seeing your accounts like this. So for example, I want to find my account number for this Great Britain account. Select the account, and then here at the top, you're going to select this link. And you can see all the information for my account, the sort code and the account number. Now if you want to see your US account details, it's pretty much similar. You select your US account. So I'm going to step back. So this is my US account. I'm just going to select that account type. Select this account number at the top. And you can see the account details. My ACH and routing number and my account number. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.